Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to split screen on Samsung phone. Okay, first of all, select the application you would like to open in a split screen view mode. And for example, I'm going to open my calculator with my calendar application. So first of all, we can open one of the application we would like to open in split screen view mode. And I'm going to open the calculator first. And after the calculator is opened, we can tap on this recent button like this. Then you can tap on the calculator icon right here, and there will be several options for you, and you can click on open in a split screen view. Okay, and since I want to open a calendar with calculator, so I'm just going to select the calendar. Okay, now as you can see that the screen has been splitted. And I guess that's how we can split screen on the Samsung phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.